We all love to smell good. You smell so good, that's one of the best compliments you can get. It means your hygiene routine is working. This is your ultimate guide to smelling fresh, feeling clean, and glowing effortlessly. Looking good and smelling good go hand in hand. And the best part, it doesn't have to break the bank. I'm here to show you a simple, affordable, and effective hygiene routine you can actually stick to. So grab your tea, get comfy, and let's dive into the best hygiene routine yet. It is time to upgrade your feminine hygiene routine. Let's go. Thank you for coming back. Today we're going to talk about all things feminine. Well, feminine hygiene. This is the ultimate feminine hygiene video. If you haven't seen this video, well, if you haven't seen any other videos, this is the ultimate. I'm going to, I have millions of products here, and I'm going to break down in each section and tell you about everything that I'm using. I mean, everything. I'm using this Ivory Gentle body wash. I like to use anything related to how do you say it? I like to use something related to shea butter, but this one is coconut. It still smells good, so I like this brand as well because it's you get the a big size for your box. What do I use for basically to wash my body? Basically, I'm using this African net. It's so long, and I got it from my mom when she went back to her country, but you can buy it anywhere. So Amazon has it, so you know that is any drugstore. It doesn't do anything for your body. This one really gets into it. You can even reach your back with that. You just have to do it like this, okay, and then you reach every part of your body. So African net, must need it. This scrub that I use two types, so I do that. I won't lie, I don't do that often. I do that at least once a week. This one smells so good. I just recently got it. Look at this. So exfoliate, you have your glove. Sometimes I like to use my hands, whatever. I have my African sponge, so that's good. So you have this one. Wash my body, I scrub once a week, and then after that we have this body oil. So sometimes I do oil my body. You see the bottle. So this one I forgot the name, but if you search body oil on Amazon, you will see a similar bottle as this. It's not my absolute favorite, but any body oil will do. So I usually have this, my facial cleanser. While I'm in the shower, I just use my hands and I try to do that thing first before even washing my body. I just wash a circle on my face, and then with the water, that's it. That's the only skincare that I do. And once I step out of the shower, while I'm doing my oil and stuff, I go ahead and first thing first, before touching any part of my body, I like to do my face first. You see my face, I don't have any pimples in it, even without in the face care. So I also use those things. This you can find at the dollar store, Winners. I bought it at dollar store for $4.50. So I just remove my makeup with 3, 2, 4, and then in the shower I go with my face wash, and then I wash my face. This one is a body milk that I use for all over my bottle here. So, but I guess you can use it because before I implemented this skincare, I used to use the same body cream all over even my face. And then one day I had some breakout. I was like, what is going on? What is going on? So then I said to switch. I'm like, no, this one for my face, and I don't want to complicate skincare. Having a beautiful skin doesn't take a lot. So the witch hazel cleansing pads. So this is a gentle soothing. So basically what this does is it smells horrible, but it's just to cleanse behind your hair. I won't show you guys. I won't show you behind your ears, on your belly button. So it's clean underneath those things. We have the Secret. Okay, this one is not aluminum free, but it has a 7-time odor elimination. So it doesn't matter which Secret deodorant I use. I use a stick. I use something that smells good. You can add a classic lip balm. I love Carmex brand. I love Carmex, especially the medicated one, because I feel it works well with my lips. We all know we don't want crusty looking feet. My feet care is pretty simple. You know, I use Dr. Schools for underneath your feet. You know, if you see you have started to have some white stuff underneath, just a quick of this. You know, this is wet and dry. You can use the shower outside. You know, this little pedicure manicure kit. So if you don't have anything on your toes, you can still take care of your feet. So you know, I have this small kit and then I use it. Basically it's lasts me so long, I don't even know where this is from, but you see I use it a lot. So for the intimate areas, basically I don't do much. I use the same. I know people say to use different things, no soap, anything. I don't even use anything, right? But when I'm in the shower, I try to do like some hot water, and then this is like some of it is in like on my loofah, my African sponge. So gentle, just you know, having this one, and I feel like this soap is really gentle. It won't hurt you down there, so you can still use it. So the thing that I added in my Hygiene, but I don't really use it anymore, but I use it for like 2 weeks. It's supposed to help with odors. So let's see, for 2 weeks I believe. For 7, you insert it in your vajayjay. For 7 days before bedtime, and after that period it doesn't, your thing doesn't smell. I noticed that when I finished using it, at first it was like kind of weird, and after that I don't really have those like odors anymore. So this is like a great hack. Hair removal. So for hair removal, this one is not a bit tricky, but I use simple steps. But for me to remove hair on my legs and under my underarms, I use razorless cream shave, or any cream shave. Basically this one is magic. I think it's with shea butter and sweet almond oil. When I'm in a rush, on like not really, when I'm in the bathroom, you use that for a minute. You put like a you remove it with like a something that you have, like a sponge or whatever, and then it's gone. Especially I don't have a lot of hair like on my legs. It's really helpful. Everything is gone. After, you shouldn't use it more than 4 minutes, 7 minutes I guess. Have it for so long. This is the Brown Silk Appeal 3. So this is like a razor, electric razor. I like this one because it's quick, especially on my underarms. Like every 2 weeks I will just retouch it. Of course, people don't like razors because it hurts, but I promise you, you will get used to it. You just have to put some baby powder and then do it bit by bit. So moving to the oral hygiene, I have a lot of stuff. I only use, I may sound picky, but since I got like my teeth done and stuff like that, I only use Sensodyne Pronamel. So I use the multi-action one. This one is good for your gums, for everything. So I got recommended that, you know, when I did my teeth and stuff like that. So I only use these brands. And then I made the mistake of using like an electric like remover, like, you know, things that remove floss. So I made a mistake to use it like on high, and I feel like it did separate like a little bit of space between one of my teeth. I regret it so much, but hey, it passed. I can fix it whenever I can, but it doesn't bother me that much. But I went back, you know, I only use, especially when you have your teeth done, you have like porcelain crown and stuff like that, you should only use those things. Like I have Oral-B. For me, I also use like soft brush. Do not use hard brush. You only need to use soft brush. This is here, but you know, I have backup. And yeah, I need to take care of underneath my teeth and, you know, really get down here. We have this tongue scraper. So I like tongue scraper because it gets rid of all those dirty stuff like on your tongue, and everything is like smooth. I think this floss, yeah. I always use a mouthwash at night. Best believe it, I only use, and the type I use, this one is Crest. Okay, this one is Crest Soin de l'émail enamel care. So, you know, things to strengthen the gums, cleanse the teeth. Like I said, for my smile particularly, because my teeth is like kind of underneath, I have to do do extra care of that. So it's alcohol free, and I particularly use those brand or any type of so I particularly use this brand or any type of mouthwash that is good for gums, because you know you have to take care of those, and you know your gums and your teeth. So this is the one that I'm using. I also have Fresh Breath. This one came in handy. I don't use it all the time. This one is from Terra Breath. Okay, so I don't really use it all the time, but I use it some morning, or I just use it at night because I wake up feeling fresh, of course. So my face care, or my face care basically. So like I mentioned, I use CeraVe foaming facial cleanser when I'm showering, and then I wash my face with that, with or without makeup. I do this every day, and then I use my moisturizing lotion. This is like, I try to separate the one that I'm using for my body with my face. Clear your makeup, no, your skincare is the better. You don't need to use 1,000 products. I also have this, but this I use at night. Like this is like Bath and Body Works, like perfume and body wash. It smells so good. I like to use it at night because I like to smell like a baby. Of course, you know, I have my Vaseline stick here that I use just so my perfume can stick to my body. And then I have other things like my perfume. I have like a huge collection. So I have like the perfume oil, like Arabian perfume. I need to do those reviews as well. I haven't had time to do that. And then I have my Lancome Idol. This smells so good, you know, those expensive perfume. Yeah, so in the morning you can put, like in the part that you want the perfume to really stick to, you just go ahead and put that Vaseline stick. Okay, you can use Vaseline, but the stick is better, but like those Arabian perfume. This one is Bint Oren from, I don't know the brand, and then this one is Fakar Lataya. Those two smell so good, and it was a blind buy. Vaseline in, and then you spray, you know, ooh, and it will stay longer, especially when you go, you know, somewhere special. Everywhere. My car, I have a big bottle. This one I have on my bag. And then why I keep it everywhere is because my hands tend to be dry, so I need to hydrate my hands every single time. And yeah, guys, this is a long video. Period hygiene. So when you're on your period, I want to show what I use. Typically I use the same thing basically, but I like to double protect, because for me my period lasts a little bit longer, and the first 3 days is like an avalanche. So there's a lot. So I like to double protect. So I use those Ultra Tempax Pearl. Okay, I use the Ultra one because that one lasts longer. I think if it's like heavy, it can last like up to 3 hours. If it's really heavy, it's like 2 hours, but I feel like it lasts like 3 hours. And I choose it's like non-unscented as well. I choose the highest one because it's good for my first 3 days of my skin. I put this one on, this one as well, and then like I said, the first 3 days I have my I have my huge panties. You need to have some panties from your period as well. So I double protect. I put a Tempax, and then I put like one of these just in case I don't get to the washroom, because I don't count the time, right? I don't go to the washroom like at the correct time. At least I have a protection. Okay, now I want to talk about my supplement. I don't have a lot of supplement, but I wanted to include that in the video. First up, I have my sleep support. That's new. I have magnesium. I saw it in a video like sleep hygiene. You know, once I master this up, like I'll do my update on my sleep hygiene as well. But this helps sleeping. So you take one per day. I don't use it every single day, but when the time that I need really to sleep, yeah, I just have one for like a you know, for iron. So it helps to prevent iron deficiency, anemia. So I used to have low iron, so my doctor prescribed me something, and then I just supplement that with that. So this one is value size. I use it once in a while now. I don't really use it that much, because normally when you lack this, it's because, you know, you like sleeping or your sleep schedule is not good. Use this for my periods. and it's regular strength. I've been using it for many years now. I haven't had any problem. I use it kind of a lot. Like the first few days I do like 4 pills, like, you know, I feel like it's not that strong, but it's still okay. So this one I use it for my period only, but if I'm sick or something I will also use it. No, why not? So those are my 3 supplement, and of course the one with like the vaginal one. Last but not least, I have my hair care for my hair, my natural hair, and my wigs. So I use this brand Hussey for the longest. So this is the conditioner with avocado and jojoba oil, and this is the shampoo. So this one I have like a lot of duo. There's a lot of duo on Amazon that you can buy. That's pretty simple. I don't use like extravagant stuff, but I want to mention something, because my channel before, you know, you used to see my hair, my natural hair a lot. Like 5 years ago I just cut all my hair because it was so bad, and then I decided to grow my natural hair. I still haven't permed my natural hair, everything is still going strong, but now I prefer to have like protective style, you know, having like different type of wigs, or even, you know, just a variety of stuff. So I just braid my hair underneath. I use this thing over there, and you can find it I found it at Winners. You can find it at Amazon, but basically I just massage my scalp while washing my hair. When I put the shampoo, I put, you know, I just, you know, wash it, you know. Skin to shea butter, leave-in conditioner, repair cream. Okay, so I use this one, and you know, it's almost even done, but I have the backup. So I use any type of leave-in cream, and I always this one is never finished anyways, but I always use some type of oil. This is the Jamaican black castor oil, so I put it my scalp, my hair, my natural hair. I don't put it in like, no, my extension wigs. No, this is only for my natural hair. But the shampoo and conditioner, guys, that was a long video. Thank you for sticking by. This is really the ultimate feminine hygiene routine, from low end to a high end product, you name it. So this is my feminine hygiene routine, how you can take care of yourself, and then how you, well, you know, basically any kind of self-care product that you may need. Hope it gives you some inspiration, and I will try to link some of the link or if not, I will try to link some products down below in my description box, so feel free to check this out. So thank you so much, guys. Yeah. Oh, let's see. So yeah, I will try to link everything down below on my description box, so feel free to check this out again. And this is the ultimate. So we went through like from head to toes. We went everything, we did everything, everywhere, everything all at once. I feel like, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.